Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run a segment on the Strava application. So first of all, what you have to do is just go and download it if you don't have it installed in your phone before. Of course, you can download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually open your or once it's downloaded, then you open your Strava application. For you, if it's your first time, they'll actually ask you to log in into your account. If you have one, make sure to log in into it. But if you don't, they will give you three options to create an account. They will give you to create an account with Facebook, with Google, or even with your email. Choose whatever suits you. And once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this home page or this main screen. And you'll find yourself at the home of the Strava application. Of course, here you normally will find your recent posts, or you can just go and create a post. You will find it here, or you can just even edit some of your recent posts, or even delete them if you want. But what we said in this tutorial on how to run a segment. So of course, a segment is just a post on the Strava application. So you can just go here and click at this plus button, and you can just click at manual activity. Here, if you want to run a segment, you can just choose or give it a title. Let's say as an example, this will be like hello. And of course, you can choose the activity that you're going to have in this segment. So let's say as an example, this segment's about riding a cycle. Of course, you can choose the date, which is today, as an example. Of course, how much hours? Let's say as an example for 1 hour. And let's say as an example, we'll run for maybe 7 kilometers. Okay. And you can add, of course, other details if you want, but if you want to finish, you can just go and hit the save button at the top right corner, and you normally will find it here on your home screen as well. As you can see, here is it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.